Hello everyone, welcome to ELTER's Head to Head. Today's episode is with Vera Tilner. Enjoy.
First of all, I try to find out from my colleague who the group is. And let's assume it's a company course. So I'd dig out my presentation skills slides, because presentation skills is something any group can use. And I'd pick out two of the skills, how to use visuals and how to use your voice to give a good presentation. And I would ask the participants to think of their daily job and present their daily job and their company and the department to the group. An elephant, oh my God. First of all, I need to think about where to put the elephant. And I guess I would put it in my garden and then try to train it as a carrier. So we can use it to go shopping and maybe even leave the car in the garage more often. So this is really environmentally friendly. And I'm sure my kids would love train the elephant. And I don't know about the dogs, though. I have 2 dogs, and maybe that would be a bit difficult. But yeah, I'm sure we figure out something. Would I become a teacher again? Absolutely. Teaching is my dream job, and I'm so happy I had to try it out, because I remember me being a translator and being stuck in front of a computer screen for 10 hours a day, and that was really boring. So when we moved to Italy and I lost my job, I had to, or somebody asked me to teach a group of Italians, and I loved it from day one. And why do I love it so much? I guess it's because I can really use both my strengths and weaknesses. So I always try to motivate people, and when they're down and when language learning gets really hard, I try to tell them how beautiful it is to speak a foreign language. And that makes me happy every day. Well, first of all, I would tell them to sort out all the administrative questions. So where do I register my company? How do I pay taxes? And do I need a tax advisor? Where is my office, or can I teach from home? And yeah, so administration first. Then I think it's good to get as much teaching practice from day one with different kinds of groups in different companies, or maybe university or schools, and then build on expert knowledge. So focus on 1 or 2 topics and really build up your own knowledge, so you can build up a niche and concentrate on specific clients. I think we learn a lot about how to do courses, or how to do the trainings, how to plan and how to choose materials. But what I've learned over the years is that it's very important to have a network, so you can exchange problems or views with colleagues and learn from them. So this is why I'm particularly happy to be a member of ELTERS, because this is the workshops And the gatherings really inspire me, and I get new ideas for my groups and for the trainings I do.
For more information about our organization, contact us at info@eltas.de. Or if you're interested in participating in one of these interviews or have questions to ask for the interviews, please contact us at social media at eltas.de. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell so that you're notified every time we come out with a new video. Gracie approves, don't you, girl?
That's right, little girly girl.
Bye.